Good morning, children. Welcome to your maths class. Children, myself Namita Kumar ma'am. Today we will start chapter number 3, that is your multiplication chapter. Open your page number 5050, children. Yes, this chapter. Okay. So children, before starting the multiplication, we will read about some facts of the multiplication. Okay. All of you need to know, children, that the number to be multiplied is called the multiplicand. And the number by which we multiply is called the multiplier. And after multiplication, the result we get, so we call it product. So children, here we are multiplying 23 by 3. So this 23 is our multiplicand, 3 is our multiplier, and we are getting the answer 3 3 is a 9 and 3 2 is a 6, 69. So this is your product. Clear? Okay children, now let's start with the warm-up exercises, page number 51. Open your this page and we will continue. We will start our question number 1. Okay? So children, in warm-up exercise, first question you have to multiply this 42 and 2. Okay? Let's do it children. Here you will read the table of 2 times. So 2 2s are 4. Right here 4. 2 4s are 8. 84. Answer is 84. Now moving to question number D children. Here you have to multiply 258 by this 2. So again you read the table of 2 8 times. So 2 8s are 16. So children, as you know, you write this 6 and this 1 you will carry. So carry here. Now 2 5s are 10 and this 1 you will add. Isn't it? So 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. Again it's 2-digit number. You write this one and this one again you will carry. Now under the hundreds place value, here 2 2s are 4 and plus 1, that is your 5. Right here 5. So our product is 516. Now moving to question number 2. Find the product. 1 is done for you. So children, here you have to multiply 467 and 2. So first of all, you multiply this digit at the ones place. So you multiply children. Here we are doing step by step. So here we will get 3 products because we are multiplying by 3-digit number. Now 2 7s are 14. So right here 14. Now second step, you are multiplying by the digit at the tens place. So 2 6 are 12. So right at the tens place, here 12. And here you will put 0 at the ones place. Now, we will multiply 2 by this hundreds place digit, that is your 4. So, 2 4s are 8. Under the hundreds, so write here 8. And these two ones and tens will be 0 0. Now, children, these 3 products we will add. Product 1, product 2 and product number 3. So, 4 plus 0 that is your 4. 1 plus 2 and 0 that is your 3. 1 plus 8 that is your 9. So, our answer is 934. So children, similarly in these questions you have to do step by step. Okay. Let's take question number C. Here 4 6 are 24. So you write here 24. Now you are multiplying by the digit at the tens place. 6 5s are 30. So you write under the tens place here 30 30. And this ones place will be 0. Under the hundreds place 6 1s are 6. So here 6 and again this 2 will be 0. Now add here 4, here 2 and here 9. So answer is 924. Now we will do question number 3, fill in the blanks. Here you have to multiply 40 and 20. So children, when we are multiplying by 10, hundreds, so you remember now how do we multiply? Yes, you multiply these numbers only, okay? And you don't need to multiply zeros. In the final product, we will write zeros. Let's take it. So children, in question number 3, you have to multiply 40 and 20. So you will multiply these two numbers only. So 4 2s are 8. And how many zeros are there? 1, 2. So in the final answer, you will put here 2 zeros. Answer will be 800. Similarly, in question number C, there is your 25 and here is 40. Okay. So again you multiply this 25 and 4 only. 25 fours are 100. Write here 100. And now this 0 you will put at last in the final answer. Answer is 1000. Moving to question number E. You have to multiply 403. Again you leave these zeros. Multiply only these numbers. 4 3s are 12. And how many zeros? 2. So 1200. Isn't it? So children, you will do all the left questions in this way only. Now moving to question number 4. Now children, look at the question number 4. Write the missing digits in the circle. So children, first of all, here you know this 4, that is your multiplier. And here these multiplicand you don't know. We have to fill here. Now children, you will read the table of 4 so that you will get your number with the digit at ones place 6. So suppose we are reading the table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20 and so on. Now tell me, in table of 4, which number is there? Where the digit at the ones place is 6? Here, this one, no? So here will be 4s are, 4 4s are. So 4 4s are 16. So write here 6. Okay? So 1 you write here. Now children, under the tens place, by what number you will multiply this 4 to get this 4? Yes, 4 1s are 4, no? So write here 1. 4 1s are, you are writing under the tens place 4. Now under the hundreds place here, by what number you will multiply this 4 to get this 8? So definitely 4 2s are 8, write here 2. Okay, 4 2s are 8. Now it's time to add here, find the product. Here will be 6. Here 1 plus 4, that is your 5. Here 8 is your 8. So in this way children, you have to fill the missing, yes, digits. Moving to question number 5. Cost of one book is rupees 125. Find the cost of 8 such books. So children, what will we do? Yes, cost of one book is given. You have to find the cost of 8 such books. You have to find the cost for the more books now. So we will do multiplication. Very good. So children, it's a word problem. So let's do it. Write the statement here. That cost of one book. So write here cost of one book. That is our rupees 125. Now number of books. How many books you are purchasing? Number of books. These are 8. Therefore, total cost. What will be the total cost? So total cost, you will multiply these two, no? So rupees 125 multiplied by 8. So children, do this multiplication. 125 multiplied by 8. And here 1s, 10s, 100. Okay. So children, 8 5s are 40. Here 0. Here carried 4. 8 2s are 16 plus 4 20. 0 carried here 2. 8 1s are 8 and 2, that is your 10. So children, total cost will be rupees 1000 only. So this is your answer. So in this way you have to solve your word problems. That is question number 5 and 6. Similarly, you solve your question number 6 and 7 also. Okay. So children, this warm up exercise is your homework. You will complete in your classwork copy. Thank you children. Have a nice day.